Hello everyone, I'm Ananya. Welcome to my channel. In this video I share the recipe of chili paneer. Do try it at home if you like it. If you want more videos like this, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do leave your comments and suggestions below. Ingredients you will need are 200 gram paneer cut into small cubes. To fry the paneer, I made this batter by adding 2 teaspoons flour and cornflour, and I added some salt and pepper into it. 1 tablespoon tomato sauce, red chili sauce and green chili sauce. 2 teaspoons soya sauce. 1 teaspoon black pepper powder and red chili powder, and some salt to taste. I cut some onions and capsicum into cubes, and some ginger and garlic. Add 2 tablespoons of oil. Spread it evenly. Now dip the paneer in the batter and fry it till golden brown. You can also deep fry, but I prefer not to. When one side is done, flip it and fry the other side. But do not over fry the paneer. Remove the fried paneer cubes and place them on a kitchen paper. In the same pan, add some oil. Add the chopped ginger and garlic and stir fry for a few seconds. Fry them till the garlic is golden brown in color. Now add the chopped onions and stir fry for 2 minutes. Now add the chopped capsicum and stir fry for 2 to 3 minutes. Add some salt. Add the pepper and chili powder mixture. Add some water so that the powder doesn't stick to the vegetables. Add the soy sauce. Add the tomato and chili sauce mixture. Add some water and cook for 2 minutes. You can add a pinch of sugar. This is completely optional. Once the sauce is ready, you can add the paneer cubes. Make sure to mix them well with the sauce. Then add the remaining corn flour mixture of the batter. Add 1/3 cup of water and cook for 5 minutes. The chili paneer is ready.